Hello everyone, today we're talking about how to get free gems and coins in F1 mobile racing. Guys, look of this application modded version F1 mobile racing plus plus is already installed in my mobile devices, and to get free gems and coins, all you to do, you must enter amount as you want. So I enter this number, okay. After complete, press button next, and now everything is already generated, so we must wait to complete of this process. After finish, our account will be open and everything will be generated for our account. And okay, look of this, everything is work. Now I get everything absolutely for free and unlimited in F1 mobile racing. So how to get this application F1 mobile racing for your mobile devices? It's so easy. Go to comment section, find pinned comment with another video where link is this comment section. I will show you step-by-step tutorial how to install this application F1 mobile racing plus plus for Android or iOS devices. Enjoy and thank you for watching.